Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's deeply impactful yet often overlooked: the power of words, especially those spoken by parents to their children. Words have the potential to shape a child's self-esteem, beliefs, and future. While most parents want the best for their children, sometimes, without even realizing it, they say things that can have lasting, negative effects. In this speech, I'm going to talk about 8 toxic things parents often say to their children and the impact these words can have. My goal is to bring awareness to these harmful phrases so that we can replace them with words that uplift, empower, and nurture. 1. You're not good enough. One of the most damaging things a child can hear is, "You're not good enough." Whether it's about their grades, sports performance, or social interactions, this phrase tells a child that no matter how hard they try, they'll never measure up. Over time, it can destroy their self-esteem and lead them to believe that they're inherently flawed. Instead, parents should focus on encouraging their children to do their best and celebrate their efforts, not just their achievements. Every child has unique strengths and abilities, and it's important to nurture those rather than criticize them for not meeting certain expectations. 2. Why can't you be more like your sibling? Comparisons are toxic, especially when it's between siblings. "Why can't you be more like your sibling?" is a phrase that can create deep resentment and insecurity in a child. It sends the message that they're not valued for who they are and that they'll only be loved if they measure up to someone else. Children need to feel accepted and loved for who they are as individuals. Instead of comparing them to others, parents should celebrate their unique qualities and strengths, helping them to develop their own sense of identity and self-worth. 3. You'll never amount to anything. Telling a child, "You'll never amount to anything," is a devastating blow to their confidence and future aspirations. This phrase not only diminishes their self-belief, but also sets a negative expectation for their future. Children who hear this may internalize it, leading them to give up on their dreams before they even start. It's crucial for parents to be their child's biggest cheerleader, providing encouragement and support as they navigate their journey in life. Every child has potential, and it's the role of parents to help them discover and achieve it. 4. You're too sensitive. "You're too sensitive" is a phrase that invalidates a child's feelings and teaches them to suppress their emotions. When children are told they're too sensitive, they may begin to question their own emotions and feel ashamed for expressing them. This can lead to emotional repression and difficulties in relationships later in life. Parents should instead acknowledge and validate their child's feelings, helping them to understand and process their emotions in a healthy way. Emotional intelligence is a key factor in long-term well-being and success, and it starts with learning that it's okay to feel. 5. I wish you were never born. Perhaps one of the most toxic and heartbreaking things a child could ever hear is, "I wish you were never born." This phrase can leave deep emotional scars, leading to feelings of worthlessness, abandonment, and severe psychological trauma. No child should ever have to doubt their right to exist. Every child deserves to feel wanted and loved. Even in moments of frustration, parents must remember that words spoken in anger can have lasting consequences. It's important to communicate love and acceptance, even when addressing difficult issues. 6. You're a burden. Telling a child, "You're a burden," can make them feel like they are an unwanted responsibility rather than a cherished part of the family. This can lead to feelings of guilt, anxiety, and low self-esteem, as they may start to believe they're not deserving of love and care. Parents should instead express how much they value their child and reassure them that they are loved unconditionally. Children need to know that they are a source of joy, not a burden, in their parents' lives. 7. Stop crying. It's not a big deal. "Stop crying. It's not a big deal" is a dismissive phrase that can teach a child to ignore or suppress their emotions. It's important to remember that what might seem trivial to an adult can be overwhelming for a child. When parents dismiss their child's feelings, they send the message that their emotions don't matter. Instead, parents should comfort their child and help them understand and manage their emotions. By acknowledging their feelings, parents can teach their children to deal with emotions in a healthy way, setting the foundation for emotional resilience. 8. You'll never change. You'll never change is a statement that can trap a child in a fixed mindset, leading them to believe that their abilities, behavior, and potential are set in stone. This can discourage them from trying to improve or grow, as they may feel it's pointless. Parents should instead foster a growth mindset in their children, emphasizing that everyone has the capacity to learn, grow, and change. Encouraging effort, perseverance, and the belief that they can improve can help children develop resilience and a positive attitude towards challenges. The power of words. The words parents speak to their children have a profound impact on their development, self-esteem, and future success. Toxic phrases like these can leave lasting emotional scars, but by being mindful of the language we use, we can build our children up instead of tearing them down. Parents have the incredible power to shape their children's futures through their words. Let's use that power to uplift, encourage, and support our children, helping them to become confident, compassionate, and resilient individuals. Thank you for watching. If this message resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. Remember, the way we speak to our children today will echo in their lives tomorrow. Let's choose words that heal, inspire, and empower. See you in the next video.